the topic of discussion, the topic of contention right now is redrawing the boundaries of the Lok Sabha seats within the states and within the country. Now that is going to be a point of discussion and debate and a lot of dissent as well, because democracy is about these 3 Ds. Discuss, debate, and dissent, right? So we are raising our voice and we are saying, you don't have. There was a time, Maya, if you remember, in late 70s and 80s, where population was considered a bane. Population was considered something of a menace which needs to be curbed and controlled, and therefore governments have brought in these measures called family planning, etc., etc. The South actually effectively implemented family planning, and therefore population has actually come down in the South, whereas in the northern part of India and also several other pockets, population continued to grow. So today, if you were to go by the latest population numbers for delimitation and redrawing the boundaries of parliament seats, it would be a travesty of justice. Effectively, what it would mean is you would be punishing those states that have done well in the larger interest of the country, and you would be rewarding those who actually haven't followed or adhered to the government of India's dictum. So therefore, we came out with a radical proposal saying, Telangana is a state which is about 2.5% of India in terms of population, but we contribute to 5% of India's GDP. So if you were to draw boundaries, redraw boundaries, then why don't you actually use GDP as a measure? Of course, that did not go very well, with the party in power in Delhi now, but I'm not going to make a huge fuss about it, because I'm sure we'll get more opportunities in India to debate, to basically discuss with them. And I think Oxford India Forum probably is not the place where I would see, this being resolved ASAP. So yes, it is an issue, but I do believe there are several things that need to be addressed before we get to that point. Yeah.